Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ChatGPT on iPhone, beginner guide step by step clearly. To use ChatGPT on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press search. Look for the official ChatGPT app by OpenAI. Tap on the app to view its details. If you haven't installed it yet, once the app is installed, open it by tapping on the ChatGPT icon on your home screen. You'll be greeted with a welcome message and a brief overview of its features. To get started, you may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign up or log in. After logging in, you'll see the main chat interface. At the bottom of the screen, there's a text input box. Tap on the input box to begin typing your questions or prompts. Once you've entered your text, tap the send button to submit your query. Wait for a moment as ChatGPT processes your message. The AI will generate a response based on your input. Read the response displayed on the screen. Feel free to ask follow-up questions for further clarification. You can continue the conversation by repeating the input and sending process. To access settings, look for any gear icon or menu option within the app. Explore settings to adjust notifications or privacy options to suit your preferences. If you want to start a new conversation, look for a new chat button. By using this feature, you can interact with different topics easily. Experiment with various types of queries to see how ChatGPT responds. Remember, the more specific your prompt, the better the responses you'll receive. Enjoy exploring the capabilities of ChatGPT on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.